In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server quickly and correctly, so you can remove a server you no longer need without getting stuck along the way. This is a simple process, but it's important to understand that deleting a server is permanent, so make sure you really want to continue before you confirm anything. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and make sure you're inside the server that you want to delete. This part matters because Discord only lets you manage the server you're currently viewing, so double check that you've selected the right one. Once you're in the correct server, look at the top left corner and click the server name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing that server. From that drop-down menu, click on Server Settings. This is where Discord keeps all the admin tools, including the option to delete the server. After the server settings page opens, take a look at the left-hand menu. Scroll all the way to the bottom because the delete option is usually placed there for safety. At the bottom of the menu, click Delete Server. Discord will then ask you to confirm the action, which is another protection step to make sure you don't delete it by accident. To continue, type the server name exactly as it appears. Make sure the spelling matches because Discord uses this as verification before allowing deletion. After entering the server name, click Delete Server one final time. Once you do that, the server will be permanently removed. If you are the owner and you're no longer using it, that's all it takes to clear it out. Just remember, this action cannot be undone, so there's no recovery button after you confirm. If you are following along, you should now know exactly how to delete a Discord server in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.